Alright guys, so if you're actually wondering how to get the Uber Eats bag, guys, I'm going to show you just how you can do that. So basically guys, there's two websites, right, where you can get the Uber Eats bag. There's Uber Eats Shop, the direct shop. You can get it through here. Okay, so basically if you have already been approved, or let me show you the other website. Okay, Uber Eats bag. Let me show you. The other website is this one, Bulanga. Okay, these are the two websites that mainly sell them. These are the official partners, right? So what you need once you get accepted into the driver program, you'll actually need to purchase the bag only after they've approved you guys. Do not start going and buying the bag before they have actually approved your profile and you are now an affiliate with them. Okay, don't start buying it before that. So if you want to buy it, you just come here, you add to cart, and you put in your address, and it will be sent to you in around 1 to 3 business days. This is one website, okay, Bulanga, and the other one is Uber Eats Shop, the actual shop. But this depends on which country you site in, or you can also click on the merchant zone and see which country you are in, so you can get assisted in that regard. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts,